This is the Markets in 2 for the week ending May 19th, 2023. I'm Mike Salisbury, Portfolio Manager with Strong Private Wealth of Raymond James. In general, stocks went up. The Dow Jones saw a minor bump, while the S&P 500 and NASDAQ had stronger performances. In layman's terms, what we're seeing is a shift in optimism, as investors believe we're slowly but surely navigating away from a potential market crash. This optimism is also linked to the hope for a resolution around the US debt ceiling, the limit to how much the country can borrow, which has been causing some anxiety recently in the markets. If you want a simple to understand explanation of this, we have a quick 1-minute video posted to our Instagram and YouTube channels. One major driving force behind this week's rise were sectors known as cyclicals. These are parts of the economy that do well when times are good, including tech giants like Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google's parent company Alphabet, as well as software banks, travel and leisure, and even restaurants. But not everything was sunshine and roses. There were a few areas in the market that didn't perform so well. These were areas that are typically safer bets that people flock to in uncertain times, including food and beverages, healthcare management, and telcos. On the global scene, the US dollar was stronger, especially against the Japanese yen. While gold fell by 1.9%, crude oil, on the other hand, rose by 2.4%. The Federal Reserve, America's central bank, had a mixed message this week. While there was talk of potentially rising rates again, no firm decisions have been made. In retail news, companies like Walmart and Target reported that people are starting to spend less on non-essential items and more on basics. This suggests that consumers are feeling the pinch of inflation, but there's still enough spending going on to keep the economy from falling into a recession. Looking forward, we have a lot of data coming out next week that could give us some interesting insights, including numbers on new home sales, durable goods, and consumer sentiment. We'll see how those reports impact the markets. So in short, it was an optimistic week in the markets with some bumps along the way. We'll see where things go from here. If you have any questions, whether you're a current client or not, feel free to contact us, as our job is to help you live a life well invested. Thanks for listening.